Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and a few weeks ago Taylor Swift released her new single, Me, featuring Brendan Urie from Panic at the Disco. And it shot to #1 on so many charts, but what more do we expect from Taylor Swift? Now, this single marks the start of a new album, a new era in the works, and it's basically like Reputation flipped. It's like old Taylor Swift, even though she can't come to the phone right now. There's butterflies and pastel colors and spring vibes and no snakes. So today we're going to take inspiration from Me and actually make meringue cookies, and you can't spell meringue without me. We're going to pipe out the meringue and then we're going to actually put them on some sticks, and then we can make a little vase arrangement. The ingredients for this recipe are 3 large eggs at room temperature, 2/3 a cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and black and blue food coloring. The first thing we want to do in making these meringues is we're going to take our eggs and separate them. We're only looking for the whites in this recipe, and I'm going to add those to a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment. Then to our eggs we want to add in our vanilla extract and cream of tartar. Now I want to mix this on high speed until it starts to become foamy and frothy. This is why I like to use a stand mixer for this, because 1, we're beating on high speed, and 2, because we're beating for a long time. And my hand would just be like... After your egg whites are frothy, we can start to add in our sugar. We're going to add in our sugar on high speed, a tablespoon at a time, until stiff and glossy peaks start to form. About 7 to 10 minutes. You'll know when your meringue is done when you take the whisk attachment off and the peak kind of folds over just a little bit. That is a really good stiff peak. Now we can start to color this, whatever color you'd like. I'm going to use black and blue. I whipped together our light blue and black meringue, and I put them into some Ziploc bags just to make it easier to pipe. You could also use a piping bag, but this is just the quickest. I also have a whole other rainbow of colors, and to make all these colors, I just repeated the recipe again. To assemble your meringues, you want to take a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper, and you're also going to need some lollipop sticks. These happen to be really long, so they're going to stand straight up in our vase. Place a lollipop stick onto your cookie sheet, and then start piping meringue. Make sure that your meringue completely covers the top of the stick to ensure that it attaches while baking. Once you've piped all of your meringue, flowers, and butterflies, now you want to pop them into the oven at 250 degrees for 35 minutes. And here we have it, our meringue, flowers, and butterflies that we made today, inspired by Taylor Swift's new single. This is a really fun and easy treat. They're very light and airy, yet crispy on the outside. A perfect meringue. I just put them into a vase with some candies, so you can really eat this whole thing. Except the glass. You can totally let your creativity run with this. You could add extracts to the base, you could add different colors, and then you just get to create these awesome flowers. I've definitely created flowers that I don't think exist. But this is a daisy. Also, Mother's Day is coming up, and this would be a perfect treat, so a little hint hint. If you happen to make this, please share it with me on Instagram or Twitter, and if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes Taylor Swift, which I know there's a lot of you, meringue, springtime, anything you saw in this video, and until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below, and while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Sunday.